Hi, I'm Faith, and today is day 23 of the Flylady's Beginner Baby Steps for getting your home and life in order. We'll continue working on our previous habits for our morning and before bed routines. I made sure to list all of these steps down in the description. Today, we need to add another routine to our day, whether you call it get home from work, school, or just an afternoon routine. We need to make a new page in our control journal for the afternoon routine. This routine needs to work for your family. The secret to making a routine is to make sure you write it down and start building your new habits by working on the new routine one habit at a time. I personally will make 2 afternoon routines. An early afternoon routine will include a 5-minute room rescue, which will be a toy pickup in the living room, and to prepare and to eat our lunch, to have a quick lunch cleanup, to fold and put away laundry, to declutter, and to work out. I'm going to move my morning workout to the afternoon so I can work in the morning while my kids are sleeping. And the last thing I want to do in the early afternoon is to take a 15-minute break where I can drink my favorite cup of tea, relax, or read a book. Then I will have a late afternoon routine, which will include unloading the dishwasher if needed, because it is easier to clean as a cook when the dishwasher is empty, and to prepare a snack for my kids. After my kids have a snack, I'll do a quick snack cleanup and start preparing dinner so I can make sure to have dinner ready on time. For now, that's all I'm going to include for my afternoon routines. Click the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.